Hey, it's Tim, and today I have a special one for you. I've invited Scott here with his Apollo. I've got a new Apollo, and what we want to do today is just share with you guys what the difference is between the old model Apollo and the 2022 model. I also have Mark off camera here, so if I completely mess it up, he'll let us know. But let's get things started. Now, first of all, how long have you had yours?
Probably 6 months.
Have you done anything with it?
Modification wise?
Yeah.
Oh, absolutely.
So what did you do?
Okay, so what I've done is I've added the mirror.
Yeah.
I've added the handlebar extender.
Yep.
3,000 watt lumen lights.
Awesome.
The Apollo Ghost, it's hard to see the speedometer in the daylight.
Yeah, it
So
is.
what I've done is I just put a phone holder and put a GPS
Smart
app on it because I can see that clearly during the day.
Perfect. You've got an alarm down here.
I've got an alarm. I've also put in a lock.
Nice lock, yeah.
Yeah. I've got the Rock Brothers electric horn because the bell just wasn't quite enough.
So you've modded it up like crazy.
Well, yeah, I have. It's
That's awesome. You're making it your own.
I am making it my own.
You're not selling it tomorrow.
No.
Because you love it.
I'm keeping this thing.
That's awesome.
Yeah, no,
it's funny because what happened was I reviewed this particular model maybe just 2 or 3 months ago, and just off camera here, Mark's particular Apollo Ghost, I loved it. It was something I found quite different. It was really quite bouncy. I found it really comfortable for my girth. But when I unboxed the 2022 model, the first thing I noticed was the folding. Something I noticed right away is this is a totally different latch system. So
Yes.
I'm going to get Michael, the cameraman, to come in a little bit closer and just show us the difference between the two.
Yep.
And why don't you speak to that a little bit while I'm doing the work?
Okay. Well, clearly, I mean, this one has the two-prong connector. This seems like a much simpler, easier way to lock and unlock it and more secure.
So that's a really smart approach. I like that. So that's that. This model happens to have hydraulic brakes. Was that an option on yours or no?
It was an option on mine.
Okay.
I just didn't opt for it.
Yeah, that's fine. That's
Yeah.
fine. I was just
Yeah.
curious.
Yeah.
The other thing you noticed right away was the
Kickstand.
kickstand's quite different.
It is.
It's longer.
It
on
is.
mine.
Like this, when you lay this, like just sitting in the grass here, this
Yeah.
almost wants to fall over. You know, yours is sitting up nice and straight.
So I did read that the motors are exactly the same, but they're basically, what would you say? They're unleashed.
Yes, like I think they were maxed out at 800 before.
Right. So you had twin 800s.
Twin 800s in this, yeah.
And this is now twin 1000s.
Yeah, and is that because of the controller or? I don't understand how that works, but.
Well, I'm the wrong guy to ask.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay.
We can actually ask Mark afterwards because he knows this stuff really well.
Okay.
Anything else that you're noticing between the two that you're...
Well, first off, yeah, like the handlebar stem. I mean, this one is much more secure. It's much more thick.
Oh,
this,
yeah.
This seems very...
This is almost
This seems
round.
very... Yeah, this is round.
And this is more like...
seems
kind
flimsy.
of like an E-Move Cruiser style, this style.
Yeah, it's very nice.
So it's less likely to pop open or, pop.
Yeah.
Fold, I guess would be the best description.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Anything
Yeah.
else you see?
Well, clearly you have the better brakes, but
Well, hydraulic brakes are nice, yeah.
Let me see.
I don't think I see anything else majorly different.
Not majorly, no.
I'm going to quickly shout off camera here. Mark, have I missed something? The controllers are different.
Controllers.
Thank you, Mark.
Okay.
So that's it. That's what I just wanted to do is Sammy's come here. This is Michael's dog.
Yeah.
I don't usually get to hang out with Sammy because we're usually going like a bat out of hell on a scooter. Thanks for watching.
Yep.
Scott, thank you so much for coming here.
Absolutely. Thanks for
Sharing
having
your
me.
scooter. I've ridden them both. They're both lovely. From a ride perspective, they're terrific. This one, I didn't find them any speed differences with it. He's right about the braking. Leave your comments down below.